acute spondylitis with the left hand.
You are muted. Unmute yourself.
Sir, please unmute yourself.
Yeah.
So left, what were you saying on the left side?
On the this left total hand from shoulder to fingers, it is totally numb.
Numb. Oh, okay.
They said because of spondylitis, acute spondylitis, I'm having this, and they have been giving sleeping pills and Amigaba, some painkillers.
Okay. Okay. So let me explain it. What is it all about? And let me also tell you that most of the people are facing some kind of liver issue at this point of time. When you say diabetes, diabetes is also related to liver disorder or discrepancy, and it is on rise. So one of the reason of hypothyroidism is also liver discrepancy, right? So yeah, in hypothyroidism also, the tetrahydrothioronine, that means T4 converts to T3 in liver. So if liver is not functioning properly, T4 will not convert to T3, and T3 is usable hormone. T3 is what the body uses. So liver discrepancy is common. Fibromyalgia, itis, when you say itis, it is inflammation. Inflammation happens because of liver dysfunction or some digestive issue. Liver is a main organ for metabolism and digestion. So if liver gets impacted, inflammation or itis, when you say itis, it becomes common. So the body goes into inflammation, and after acute inflammation, it also goes into something called as autoimmune disorder. There is a chance that the body can go into autoimmune disorder. So what to do at this point of time? Will sleeping pill or painkiller help you?
No, Swamiji, I'm not comfortable with them.
Yes, yes. I am just explaining for other people. I'm just explaining what is
yes,
what is the treatment actually. What are we intending to do?
Yeah.
So whenever body will get into difficulty, it will create pain. Pain is a protective mechanism of your body. So if you try to bend this finger beyond the limit, it will create pain. The body will create pain because the body doesn't want a damage at this place. So because of pain, we don't go beyond the threshold. So pain is basically a protective mechanism of this body. Now, pain also indicates that there is some problem behind. You need to take care of the problem, or you need to fix the problem. But without fixing the problem, what we usually do is cut the mechanism of pain. It is just like you don't want to follow the traffic light, so you break the traffic light. Painkiller is like breaking the traffic light, cutting the pain mechanism, which is obviously not right. The other thing is, if you put anything which is not your food into your body, see, your body has two brains basically. One is the central nervous system, this brain. The other is your liver. Liver recognizes everything that is useful for you and not useful for you. So it is a brain by itself. So if you put anything apart from your food into this body, any chemical, the liver gets impacted. The liver gets impacted. And usually nowadays, what we are doing, we are bypassing the liver. We are trying to bypass the liver. We are titrating the dosage of whatever medicine you eat according to how much will bypass liver. We are directly putting injections in the body, which actually bypasses the liver, goes directly inside your body, which is not natural and conducive for the body. So cutting the pain signal is not a treatment. There is no medication. There is no medication in the world which can rejuvenate an organ. If you have gone into some kind of arthritis, suppose arthritis, or one bone gets broken or develops a mild crack, who joins the bone? There is no medicine for joining the bone. Your body joins the bone. You just, even if you keep the bone straight still, your body will join the bone. So the only healing mechanism in this world is human body. No medicine can heal human body. No medicine can heal or can improve organ function or correct an organ. There is no medicine till now in the last 100 years. It will never be in future also, because medicine is not something which is a natural process of the body. Rather, your body is not designed for medicine. And we are putting chemical into this, thereby for most of the chronic disease, there is no treatment. So what we need to do at this point of time? What is needed at this point of time? Creating an internal strength, organ strength. You need to improve the strength of your liver. How do you improve the strength of your liver? Is there any pill or any medicine or any food which can increase the strength of the liver? No, food can help you. The difficulty which liver is facing, if you correct your food, the liver will get a little support, but it not become strong. There is no medicine, there is no food which can make your liver strong. Unless and until you work upon your liver, there is no other way. To explain you simply, just to explain you simply, you go to gym, right? Lift weight from the right hand, only from the right hand. What will happen after 1 month? You'll see your right hand will build little muscles, isn't it? So when you work upon something, it grows. It grows. How do you work, or how do you make an effort? If you go to gym, what will you lift? You lift certain weight. How do you lift weight? How do you lift weight? By creating an effort. So let's do an experiment with me. Push your left hand like this. Push your left palm. Make a fist from the right hand. Push your left palm. Push it hard. Push it hard. So how are you making this effort of pushing your left palm? आप ये जोर कैसे लगा रहे हैं? दोबारा से करेंगे. मैं जहां बोलूंगा वहां देखना अभी, ठीक है? दोबारा से करेंगे. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Push your left palm hard. सभी करेंगे तब पता चलेगा. If everyone does this experiment, they'll know. Push it hard. How do you push? Push कैसे करते हैं? By holding your breath. No, just watch it again. Do it again. See. You push by holding your breath.
Yeah.
How do you pull? खींचते कैसे हैं? How do you pull? Clasp your fingers. खींचिए, just pull. See, you hold your breath behind. Without holding your breath, you cannot make effort. So when you lift weight, what do? How do you lift weight? Basically by holding your breath. And when you are lifting it with your right hand, the breath hold, the trigger of breath hold will go towards the right hand. And that's how, when the breath hold trigger goes towards the right hand, your right hand becomes strong. What we are doing in Ashtanga Chikitsa, we are using, this is called as Kumbhak. Effort making mechanism is called as Kumbhak. So you can't make an effort without holding your breath. And this effort making mechanism is Kumbhak. So what we are using in Ashtanga Chikitsa is fundamentally Kumbhak to create a trigger, not outside. We don't tell you. Yes, not outside, inside. Where? Towards the liver. So to just elaborate it a little, because there is no that much of a time where I can go on explaining things. To elaborate a little, if you exhale a little more than your inhalation and then hold a little, the direction goes towards liver. If you inhale a little more, hold and exhale less, then the direction goes to your kidney. And that also depends upon each person's capacity. So what we do, we first give you a form where you do a little experimentation with yourself, with your breath, with your mind, with your emotion and other things, and fill up the form. When you fill up the form, we get to know where is the weakness. So using Kumbhak as the key to Ashtanga Chikitsa, we customize the whole module, which you learn in 9 weeks. In 9 weeks time, you learn basic Ashtanga Chikitsa module. And at the end of 9 weeks, the whole module gets customized to each person's weakness. If somebody's liver is not functioning properly, if somebody's kidney is not functioning properly, we customize the process according to that weakness inside the human body, weakness of the organ and the functioning. And when you keep doing this Ashtanga Chikitsa, what you basically are doing is rejuvenating or strengthening your liver or kidney or heart or glands, depending upon what weakness you have. So we customize the module according to your weakness, and when you do this practice, you slowly rejuvenate and strengthen your inner organ and function. Ashtanga Chikitsa also has an external methodology where you actually impact the neuromusculoskeletal system, the joints, muscles, and the nerves which are connected with muscles there. You also create suppleness in your joints. You also rejuvenate the joint cartilages which has worn out, the lubrication which has dissipated. Or see, if your body loses hydration because of a discrepancy, if your body doesn't get hydrated properly, your muscle will start hardening. Muscle hardening will happen. So your problem basically is the liver, the muscles in the liver are drying up. So if you impact the liver, it will slowly and steadily rejuvenate, and you'll see in few months' time after your customization, your problem gets sorted out. I am indicating every organ, not just liver. Taking liver as an example, I'm indicating people who are suffering from other organ problems also. Their organs will start rejuvenating, because it cannot rejuvenate through a medicine. It cannot strengthen through food. Exercise doesn't impact your internal organ. Have you heard in the news channel 40-year-old people are doing a lot of celebrity rather physically fit, they got into heart attack. So when you do exercise, it impacts the external body, not the internal organ. But in Ashtanga Chikitsa, there is an aspect for the external body, there is an aspect for the internal organ, and the software which is making all those two things function. So it's a complete therapy by itself, not only liver, but if you have other, because once liver gets impacted, your other organs also gets impacted. And it's a vicious cycle. One organ gets impacted, you'll see the other organ will get impacted, and it will go on and on. If you take painkillers, the dosage will increase. Then the doctor will give you steroid, and the whole immune system will crash. So there is no treatment at this point of time. Using medicine, what you need to do is internally make yourself strong. And it's needed at this point. Everybody has to do something about the internal function.
Can we have the next question, please? Or you can write it down in the chat box. I can read it out.
For spondylitis also the same thing, Swamiji?
Yes, spondylitis. Itis means inflammation. Itis means inflammation. Inflammation happens due to 3 reasons, I would rather say. 3 reasons. If you have a digestive issue, there is a chance of inflammation. Somebody sharing screen.
Shanti ma'am, yes.
So itis means inflammation. If your liver function or digestion is not proper, metabolism is not proper, inflammation is something common that will happen across the body. The second thing is, if there is an internal injury, due to degeneration of the cartilage between bones, or degeneration of neuromuscular junction, or degeneration of musculoskeletal junction, then inflammation will happen. The third reason for inflammation is some kind of infection. If there is an invasion, if there is a bruise outside and pathogens or microorganisms infect that place also gets into swallowing and reddish kind of a tint you will see in that place. That is inflammation. So three things: digestive issue, that includes liver dysfunction. The second thing is internal injury. The third thing is degeneration or outside external injury, invasion or infection. From externity, something gets inside you or on the skin, then also inflammation happens. These three things. Now, for inflammation, if it is due to some kind of an infection, it is good to use any kind of antibiotic. It is good to use any kind of antibiotic for external invasion if there is an infection, because we have not done more R&D on natural substitute for antibiotic. So whatever is available, you can use that. The more we go towards doing R&D in the natural space, that means if we get natural antibiotics, then it is better to go towards natural antibiotic. But at this point of time, you'll only get chemical antibiotic. So it's okay, use antibiotic. But what about internal injury and liver dysfunction or digestive issue, metabolic issue? You don't have any solution for that. You have to create an inner strength, and also you have to strengthen your body so that it regenerates fast. And degeneration should happen slow. Ashtanga Chikitsa is all about enhancing the regeneration and slowing down the degeneration. That is why if you do Ashtanga Chikitsa for at least 1 year, you will become 5 years younger. So this is enhancing the regeneration and slowing down the degeneration.
What is the way of joining, Swami?
Okay, Kavita. Yes, sir, you can continue. I'll take up the chat later. I'm so sorry.
Yeah. How to join the Ashtanga Yoga, Swami?
You share your number. The mentors will guide you for that.
Yeah.
You share your number in the chat box.
Yes,
We
Swami.
will share the details after the Q&A session.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
So Dipti Saxena ma'am writes, मुझे rheumatic arthritis and osteoporosis है, knees, foot and hands में deformity है. 30 years से please मुझे बताएं कि हम ठीक हो सकते हैं.
30 years से कर क्या रहे थे आप जहां पे जा रहे थे ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, उनको क्यों नहीं बोलते कि आपने तो हमें और खराब कर दिया, ठीक नहीं किया? So ये सवाल आपको पूछना चाहिए. So osteoporosis is degeneration of bone, हड्डियों का degeneration. Calcium खा के, tell me anybody who has come out of osteoporosis by taking calcium? कितना कैल्शियम खा के कोई भी एक इंसान ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस से निकला है? आज तक नहीं हुआ. ब्रेस्ट कैंसर का चांस 200% बढ़ जाता है. The chances of breast cancer increases by 200% if you take calcium for a long period of time. So ये कोई solution नहीं है. This is no solution. Painkillers are not solution. आप तो solution कर ही नहीं रहे हैं. You are actually not treating yourself. By taking any kind of medicine, osteoarthritis and osteoporosis doesn't become fine. You will have to enhance the regenerative aspect of your body. अपने regenerative aspect को, अपने नए cells बनाने की प्रक्रिया को आपको बढ़ाना ही होगा. और वो दवाई से नहीं होता. It doesn't happen with medicine. It doesn't happen with painkiller. So you must work upon yourself. If you want a better life ahead, going ahead, अगर आगे के जीवन में अगर आप अच्छा जीवन चाहते हैं, तो आपको अपने आप को थोड़ा मजबूत बनाना पड़ेगा अंदर से. इसके अलावा कोई चारा नहीं है। तो 30 साल से आप झेल रहे हैं इसको, यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम द लास्ट 30 years, हाउ मच डिजेनरेशन यू वुड हैव क्रिएटेड, कितना ये मोमेंटम होगा, इसको खराब होने का कितना बड़ा मोमेंटम होगा इसको। एटलीस्ट डू समथिंग टू रिवर्स इट। इसको रिवर्स करने के लिए आज कुछ करेंगे ना, तो कुछ समय के बाद, कुछ सालों के बाद ये ठीक भी हो जाएगा, बट इट विल टेक टाइम, समय लेगा ये, मगर कम से कम ठीक करने की तरफ चलें तो सही, एक कदम तो उठाइए। एट प्रेजेंट यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग टू करेक्ट। आप अंदरूनी ऑर्गन को एक्सरसाइज करके भी स्ट्रांग नहीं कर सकते। एक्सरसाइज इज एन आउटवर्ड ट्रिगर। एक्सरसाइज जब आप करते हैं तो बाहर की ओर ट्रिगर देते हैं। जिम में आई एक्सप्लेन, व्हेन यू लिफ्ट वेट, वेयर इज द ट्रिगर गोइंग ऑन योर बॉडी, आउटसाइड स्ट्रक्चर पे जा रहा है, आपके हाथ के ऊपर जा रहा है, मसल्स मजबूत हो जाएंगे, हार्ट मजबूत नहीं होगा। So you need to improve the muscles. Yes, that is required, but you also need to improve the strength of your organ and function. क्योंकि मसल भी तभी बढ़ेंगे ना जब आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म ठीक हो, जब आपका लिवर ठीक हो, हार्ट ठीक हो, पैनक्रियास ठीक हो, ग्लैंड्स ठीक हो, पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड ठीक हो, एड्रिनल ग्लैंड ठीक हो, तभी तो आपके मसल्स भी बनेंगे। So it is important that you rejuvenate the internal factor, also you strengthen the external body, and you also improve the coordination between these two. वैसे तो हमने इसमें 8 सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में बात किया है। When something wrong happens at 8 levels, then you get a repercussion outside. 8 लेवल पे गड़बड़ी होती है, तब जाके आपको एक नुकसान बाहरी तौर पे दिखाई देता है। तो आपको एक्चुअली 8 लेवल पे काम करना चाहिए। दैट इज व्हाट अष्टांग चिकित्सा इज इंटेंडेड। ये इसी के लिए डिजाइन हुआ है कि आपके 8 लेवल्स पे काम करते हैं। बट इस समय आप कम से कम रिवर्स करने की तरफ में एक कदम जरूर बढ़ाना। आपकी लाइफ बहुत सुधर जाएगी, बहुत बढ़िया हो जाएगी आपकी लाइफ। अभी जिस तरीके से परेशान हो रहे हैं ना, यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ हेल्प, इट विल बिकम मच बेटर। आशु सूद अष्टांग चिकित्सा के बारे में आपको वीडियो शेयर किया गया है, आप प्लीज वीडियो को देखिए। अभी अष्टांग चिकित्सा के बारे में अगर हम समझाएंगे तो वो काफी टाइम लग जाएगा। ये क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन है, आपको वो वीडियो देख के आना चाहिए।
Okay, Satya Prabha says, Swamiji, I have severe acidity, chest jam, and acute gastritis with joint pain. After COVID, these diseases are increased severely.
See, when chest jam, so let's talk about something called as flu. थोड़ा फ्लू के बारे में बात करते हैं। कोरोना में हुआ क्या? What happened in corona? Right? So gastritis means there is a digestive issue. Digestive issue, as I said earlier, जैसे पहले मैंने बताया, डाइजेशन का प्रॉब्लम किस वजह से हो सकता है? लिवर की वजह से हो सकता है। इट कैन हैपन ड्यू टू पैनक्रियास, इट कैन हैपन ड्यू टू स्प्लीन, इट कैन हैपन ड्यू टू गट माइक्रोबायोम। आपके पेट में बहुत सारे बैक्टीरिया होते हैं, हम जो भी केमिकल खाते हैं उससे वो बैक्टीरिया मर जाते हैं, जो हमें डाइजेशन में मदद करते हैं वो बैक्टीरिया मर जाते हैं, तो हमारा डाइजेशन वीक हो जाता है। तो इसे गट माइक्रोबायोम कहते हैं अंग्रेजी में, और इसको बना के रखना बहुत जरूरी होता है, इसको बना के रखना बहुत जरूरी होता है। तो देर आर देर कैन बी मेनी रीजंस बिकॉज ऑफ विच यू आर गेटिंग इनटू डाइजेस्टिव इशू। आपको जो डाइजेस्टिव इशू हो रहा है ना, वो कई कारणों से हो सकता है, लेकिन आपके अंदर क्यों हो रहा है ये तो ये डायग्नोसिस से ही पता चलेगा। अभी मैं आपको बहुत सारी चीजें बता सकता हूं, मगर उसमें से प्रोमिनेंट क्या आपके अंदर, उसमें से किस वजह से आपके अंदर हो रहा है, वो तो हम डायग्नोस करेंगे तभी पता चलेगा। ठीक है, कई कारणों से हो सकता है डाइजेस्टिव इशू। चेस्ट जैम, कोरोना के बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे। जैसे ही फ्लू होता है, कभी सभी को फ्लू हुआ होगा बचपन से, है ना? सर्दी जुकाम इज कॉमन थिंग। व्हेनेवर सीजन चेंज यू गेट इनटू फ्लू। आपको सर्दी जुकाम होता है, बच्चों को कॉमन होता है सर्दी जुकाम। दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वायरल इन्फेक्शन, उसी को वायरल इन्फेक्शन कहते हैं। कोरोना भी वैसा ही सर्दी जुकाम जैसा ही है, कोरोना भी सर्दी जुकाम जैसा ही है, रादर सर्दी जुकाम के आसपास थोड़ा हल्का ही है उससे। ओनली इफ यू टेक मेडिसिन यू गेट इनटू प्रॉब्लम, अदरवाइज वी हैव मेड पीपल डू कुंभक। उस टाइम तो हमने फ्री में कुंभक सबको सिखाया कोरोना के लिए, एंड पीपल केम आउट without medication very easily. कोई दवाई की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, 2 दिन से 3 दिन के अंदर सब कोरोना से निकल गए। जिन्होंने दवाई लिया वो बिस्तर पकड़ लिया, उन्होंने हॉस्पिटल पहुंच गए। तो कहने का मतलब फ्लू जैसे ही होता है। व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन फ्लू हैपेंस? सर्दी जुकाम होते ही सबसे पहली चीज क्या होती है आपको? बुखार होता है ना, फीवर, बुखार होता है। व्हाट यू गेट इनटू? फीवर। सो व्हाट इज दिस बॉडी डूइंग? ये शरीर कर क्या रहा है? इफ दिस बॉडी रेजेस टेम्परेचर बाय 5 डिग्री, 5 डिग्री टेम्परेचर आपका अगर ये शरीर बढ़ा दे तो कोई भी वायरस इसमें जिंदा नहीं रह सकता। मगर 1-2 डिग्री भी बढ़ जाता है तो व्हाट यू डू? आप क्या करते हैं? उसको कम कर देते हैं, पैरासिटामोल खा लेते हैं। यस और नो? तो आप क्या बोल रहे हैं? वॉट एवर दिस बॉडी डज इज रॉन्ग। आपने बॉडी को क्रिमिनल बना दिया। You don't allow the body to help itself. Fever is a infection fighting mechanism of your body. तो आप उसे फाइट करने ही नहीं दे रहे। So this is how we are treating body. If it increases a little blood pressure, हम कहते हैं no, it's wrong. If it increases sugar, मुझे बताइए, ग्लूकोज के बगैर आपका शरीर काम कर सकता है? Can your body function without glucose? Even if you have to, the body has to heal itself. It needs glucose and energy. और जैसे ये थोड़ा बढ़ाएगा, if the body gets into infection, inflammation, the body will increase sugar level to heal itself. मगर आपका शुगर टेस्ट करेंगे, आपको गोली खिला देंगे उसको कम करने के। Now, if your body increases your blood pressure a little, जब आप सीढ़ी चढ़ेंगे ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ेगा कि नहीं बढ़ेगा? If you move your body, will your blood pressure increase? Yes, because by increasing the blood pressure, not blood pressure, by increasing the pressure inside, this body functions. अभी भी आपको करवाया था ना? How do you make effort? The pressure increases inside. Yes or no? प्रेशर बढ़ेगा तभी आप काम करेंगे। आज का लो बीपी पेशेंट, जिसको लो बीपी होता है, उनसे पूछिए, एक पानी का ग्लास नहीं पकड़ा जाता, हाथ छूट जाते हैं। So if the body increases pressure, because you are not making effort. In the last 50 years, the effort making ability of human body has gone down by 90%. पिछले 50 सालों में जोर लगाने की क्षमता 90% कम हो गई है इंसान की। तो शरीर तो बचाता है अपने आप को, इट नेवर किल्स इटसेल्फ। अपना शरीर हमेशा बचाएगा। आप खराब कर सकते हैं शरीर को, शरीर कभी खराब नहीं करेगा अपने आप को। फॉर मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स, लाखों सालों से इसने बचा के रखा है कि नहीं है? प्रॉब्लम कितने साल में आ रही है? लास्ट 50 ईयर्स। 100 ईयर बैक कितने लोगों को ये सब प्रॉब्लम था? व्हाट यू आर फेसिंग? रिमेंबर योर ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडमदर, वो आपसे ज्यादा काम कर सकते हैं या कम काम कर सकते थे? When did they die? वो ज्यादा मजबूत थे आपसे, they were much stronger. So the problem is happening in the last 50 years because of human mind. जहां भी ये इंसानी दिमाग नजर डालता है वो खराब कर देता। इसने वातावरण के ऊपर नजर डाला, we destroyed the environment. इसने जमीन के अंदर नजर डाला, we destroyed the earth resources. इसने शरीर पे नजर डाला, we destroyed human body. This body never destroys itself. ये हमेशा बचाने की कोशिश करता है। ब्लड प्रेशर इज अ प्रोटेक्टिव मैकेनिज्म ऑफ योर बॉडी, बट आपको तो स्ट्रेंथ ही नहीं है ना उसको हैंडल करने का भी। द प्रॉब्लम इज वी हैव लॉस्ट स्ट्रेंथ। सो फीवर इज अ प्रोटेक्टिव मैकेनिज्म। लेट द बॉडी फंक्शन, शरीर को काम करने दीजिए। देयर कैन नॉट बी अ मैजिक पिल। अभी तक मैजिक पिल नहीं बना है, कोई मैजिक गोली नहीं बनी है आज तक पिछले 100 सालों में, और आगे कभी भी नहीं बनने वाली। बट दिस बॉडी इज मैजिक। If you support your body, it can come out of any difficulty. आप इस शरीर को थोड़ा सा सपोर्ट करें, थोड़ा सा अंदर से मजबूत बनाएं, थोड़ा बाहर से मजबूत बनाएं, थोड़ा फंक्शनिंग ठीक कर दें, थोड़ा बैलेंस में ला दें, your body can come out of any dreaded disease, any damn disease. कैंसर से भी निकाल सकता है आपका शरीर, दवाई नहीं निकाल सकता। So it is important to work upon yourself. इस वक्त में अगर आप जो अष्टांग चिकित्सा सीखेंगे, so this total practice after 9 weeks will take approximately 40 minutes to 1 and 1. मतलब सवा घंटा 1.25 आवर्स है ना, 1 hour 15 minutes, depending upon your speed, depending upon your capacity. 40 minutes to 1 hour 15 minutes. इसके बीच में कुछ टाइम लगेगा आपको टोटल करने में. If you give yourself this time, once a day, एक दिन में एक बार इतना समय अपने आप को दे दीजिए, you will see your body is magic. आपके आगे की लाइफ अच्छी हो जाएगी. आगे जो प्रॉब्लम्स आने वाली होंगी उनको आप रोक सकते हैं. You can stop them. You can come out of your difficulties and diseases. Slowly you will see you will have more energy, more enthusiasm, and your life will transform. लेकिन अपने शरीर पे काम कीजिए, ये बदल देगा. बाहर से कोई चीज नहीं बदल सकती. It has not happened yet. जितनी दवाइयां बढ़ रही है, more medicine, more disease. In the last 50 years, दवाइयां बढ़ गई, बीमारियां बढ़ गई. Tell me one disease which has decreased. Heart disease, blood pressure, number one cause of death. Diabetes, India तो diabetic capital होने वाला है. Diabetes increase like an epidemic. कोरोना से ज्यादा खतरनाक हो गया. कभी ठीक ही नहीं होगा. डॉक्टर कहते हैं ठीक ही नहीं होता. हम कहते हैं ठीक होता. We run a diabetes reversal program and many people have dropped their medicine. Thyroid increasing. डायबिटीज तो 4 साल 5 साल के बच्चों को होने लग गया है. 4-year 5-year-old kid taking insulin. This has, you have reached to this situation. Thyroid, young girls getting into thyroid situation. Asthma, arthritis, take any disease. कोई भी नाम ले लो. Allergies, mental issue, emotional issue. कौन सी चीज कम हो रही है? बढ़ रही है. कोई भी कम नहीं हो रहा. So more medicine, more disease. So we have invested in medicine. We have invested in disease. Now please invest in health. Invest in future.
Okay, Kavita ma'am writes, Swamiji, I have pain in my knee, joint. Is it curable by Ashtanga Chikitsa?
Yes. That is what this therapy is for. Neuromusculoskeletal issues. But it will also impact your internal organ.
Nirmala ma'am writes, my son is very obese. Can the weight loss take place by Ashtanga Chikitsa?
What age is your son? This program is for people who are 16 and 16 plus, not less than that. ये program 16 और 16 plus के age के लोगों के लिए है. If your son is below that, we will start a program for younger people or kids, है ना. फिर उसमें ज्वाइन कर सकता है. Obesity तो बहुत easily, the most powerful way to lose weight, it is not losing weight. आप ये भी बात समझिए. Why your body is putting on weight? Why fatty liver is happening? 35 years, please, he can join. Why fatty liver is happening? Fatty liver सुना होगा आपने, ज्यादा हो रहा है आजकल. You know, in the first wave of corona, what happened? People started gathering grains. क्या हुआ? लोगों ने अनाज इकट्ठा करना शुरू कर दिया घर में. Why? क्यों? क्योंकि risk. There was a risk. There was a perceived risk. ये पता नहीं मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. If we'll get grains or not. So they started storing grains because of the risk. So why your body store its food? Fat is body's concentrated food. तो आपका शरीर क्यों फूड डिपॉजिट करना ज्यादा शुरू करेगा? Your body will start depositing its food when it gets into risk. तो रिस्क को अगर कम कर देंगे, if you take care of the risk, your body will get to normal weight. जो भी अष्टांग चिकित्सा करेगा, anybody who does अष्टांग चिकित्सा will lose weight if the weight is more, or the weight will stabilize at a standard what this body requires. Standard वो नहीं जो कि आपको कोई डॉक्टर बता रहा है, कोई उधर बता रहा है, गूगल बता रहा है या यूट्यूब बता रहा है. No, that is not standard. Standard जैसी कोई चीज होती नहीं है. It's a question mark. New researches which is happening. नए जितने research हो रहे हैं, medical research I'm talking about, they are saying standardizing everything is not right for human system. तो जो उनका सही वेट होगा वो उस पे आना ही है. And this is the most conducive way, सबसे सही तरीका weight lose करने का. Because if you eat fat cutter, do lot of exercise, your body will break down. क्योंकि आप उसका risk कम नहीं कर रहे. By doing Ashtanga Chikitsa, we are taking care of the risk, and because we will take care of the risk, the body will come to its natural weight, what it requires. This is the right way to lose weight. खाना किसी का ना छीने, अगर वो डर के मारे खाना जमा कर रहा है तो रादर उसका डर खत्म करें. अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं? If the body is depositing fat, then we are snatching the fat out of the body. उसका रिस्क तो कम नहीं कर रहे, फैट खत्म करने की जरूरत कोशिश कर रहे हैं, which is not the right thing. Organ damage होता है उसकी वजह से. So this is the most appropriate way to lose weight.
Kavita ma'am has one more query. Swamiji, my husband has liver cirrhosis. Is any treatment for that?
Liver, yes. As I said, this is what liver cirrhosis and any kind of an autoimmune disorder, you will see a rampant rise in the next 5 to 10 years. 5 से 10 साल में autoimmune disorder and cancer 12% के रेट से बढ़ रहा है. This will rise like epidemic. बढ़ेगा ही. That is why I am saying it is important to work upon internally. अंदरूनी कामकाज जरूरी है. Liver cirrhosis, depending upon the stage of liver cirrhosis, it can be helped. Yes, there are other rasayan also we are working upon. We are reviving the science of Rasavidya. We are reviving the science of Rasavidya, and we have found certain formulation which helps in cases like liver cirrhosis, like kidney dysfunction. ऐसी चीजों में कुछ चीजें हमने अभी बनाई हैं जो कि बहुत बढ़िया काम करते हैं. But let me tell you, Ashtanga Chikitsa itself can take care of. Ashtanga Chikitsa सीधा भी इसकी तरफ में इसको ठीक कर सकता है. The only thing is how much time it will take depends on your commitment, your effort. So it might take because of the momentum. आपने गाड़ी 200 की स्पीड में चला दिया, एकदम से तो रोक नहीं पाएंगे ना. It will go to a certain distance. So at least try putting on the brakes. आज तो शुरू करो ना. आप अगर ब्रेक ही नहीं लगाओगे तब तो क्रैश होना है. There is no other way. So आज तो ब्रेक लगाना शुरू करो. Maybe it might take 6 months, 1 year or 2 years, 3 years. और फिर मैं आपको डील दे रहा हूं. I'm giving you a deal. 3 साल के अंदर निकल जाएगा. Is the deal bad? आपके पास ऑप्शन भी नहीं है.
Okay. Sushma Garud ma'am writes, I have pain in spinal cord and lower middle and neck, as well as constipation.
Constipation is an indication that there is some discrepancy of functioning inside. Constipation जो है ना अपने आप में बीमारी नहीं होती. Constipation is a symptom. Pain is a symptom. ठीक है ना. Constipation क्या है? एक symptom. वो आपको indicate कर रहा है there is a risk inside. ठीक करो उसको. कुछ problem चल रहा है अंदर, ठीक करो उसको. Pain is also an indicator. There is a problem. Fix it. So the spine, when the weakness in the body happens, spine is the center of your body. It takes the load of the whole body. Spine आपके पूरे शरीर का load लेता है. So Ashtanga Chikitsa is, if you see, the core of Ashtanga Chikitsa is strengthening the spine. Ashtanga Chikitsa का जो मूल है, इसके बेस में है, वो है to strengthen your spine. Because what you experience in your life depends upon the strength of your spine. आप जीवन को कैसा अनुभव करते हैं, ये आपके स्पाइन की स्ट्रेंथ के ऊपर निर्भर करता है. इसीलिए कुंभक कलाचार में हम स्पाइन को मेरुदंड बोलते हैं. We call it मेरुदंड. What it means? Center of universe. We call it center of universe. Whose universe? Your universe. आप जिस तरीके से जीवन को देखते हैं वो आपके स्पाइन के स्वास्थ्य के ऊपर निर्भर करता है. आप कितने सक्सेसफुल हैं, how much successful you are depends upon the strength of your spine. So how much you experience life depends upon the strength of your spine. So spine. We are losing the strength of spine. That is why lower back pain, cervical. Now you number it T3, T4, or L4, L5, whatever number you give. कोई भी number डालें, fundamentally it means that you are losing the strength of your spine. And losing the strength of your spine also means that the disc which is there between two spinal cord doesn't have the strength to hold its position, and thereby disc bulge, slip disc deformity, disc degeneration, inflammation in spine, inflammation in the nerve. All your nerve come out of spine. जितने भी नसें हैं, आपकी उंगलियों की भी नसें हैं ना, वो spine से ही निकल के आ रही हैं उस एरिया से. So if you feel numbness in your fingers, there is a problem in the spine, not in the fingers. Problem कहाँ है? Spine में problem है. So Ashtanga Chikitsa, the core of Ashtanga Chikitsa is strengthening your spine. And that is why we are giving you Hatha Vinyasa. Hatha Vinyasa is a specialized methodology to strengthen the spine. There are three things that you will be taught. The first one is called as Anga Nyasa, establishing your body. Then Hatha Vinyasa, that means aligning your bodies and strengthening your spine. And the third thing is Kumbhak therapy. According to your problem, we will create an internal trigger which will rejuvenate your organ and organ functioning. So Kumbhak therapy, these are three things that you will be taught. It is important that you strengthen your spine for whatever you want to achieve in your life. You want to lead a healthy life in future, you must strengthen your spine. If you want to come out of problem, you must strengthen your spine. If you want to come out of mental issue, you must strengthen your spine. If you want to come out of emotional issue, you must strengthen your spine.
Yashi ma'am writes, is there a solution to glaucoma in Ashtanga Chikitsa?
Glaucoma is something which is again a nervous degeneration, or what is basically glaucoma, the retina, the nerves in the retina, there is a discrepancy in their functioning. So Ashtanga Chikitsa is all about neuromusculoskeletal problems. So glaucoma is related to neurodegeneration in the retina. So you obviously can help. We have people who got into glaucoma, and at present they are pretty fine. There is no degeneration, further degeneration in their eye. So you can stop your degeneration by doing Ashtanga Chikitsa.
Okay, Pushpa ma'am writes, solution for cataract.
Cataract, see, once the lens has become opaque, there is no solution. It cannot become transparent again. It cannot become transparent again. What you can do is, if you start early, you can ensure that the cataract doesn't happen early, or you can delay the process of cataract. You can even ensure that cataract doesn't happen at all. But for that you'll have to start early. Once cataract has started settling down, then there is no option. Still, I would say you can delay the process of cataract at this point of time, but it will happen. At that time, there is no other option but to get it operated.
So,
Okay.
Namaste, Swamiji.
Namaste, Lakshmi ji.
So when you're going to start this class?
All the details will be
Share-
shared shortly after Swamiji has finished the question and answer.
Okay, and what will be, is it to be a free course or I had to pay for that?
Have you not got the recording?
No, I
उसमें
got
हमने
it, but
explain नहीं किया क्या? उसमें explain नहीं किया क्या?
Recording में
I
explain
got
नहीं
it.
किया.
तो
We'll
अब
share it
उसको
after the-
क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन शुरू होने से पहले एक्चुअली में वो करके फिर क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन करना चाहिए.
okay, so what will be the duration?
The duration is 9 weeks actually.
Okay, 9
Uh,
weeks. And daily?
9 weeks and every week you get one main session, learning session, and one practice session. And in the learning session, you learn a part of the whole module, and you get 1 week time to practice it.
To practice it. Okay. So that takes total 9 weeks.
That takes total 9 weeks. And after 9 weeks, we customize the whole thing that you have learned according to your system.
Okay. Now you said 3 steps. So first and 2, I think this is common for everyone. And third one will be personalized.
No. You will get basically you will get in 9 weeks, you will get 18 sessions.
2 days.
2 days, 18 sessions. 9 weeks means 18 sessions.
Yeah.
And 9 weeks also means there are 3 climbing steps or 3 proper steps.
Okay.
Now 3 week is 1 step.
Okay.
Every week you get Anganyasa, 1 part, Hatha Vinyasa, 1 part, and Kumbhak therapy, 1 part.
Okay.
So you do all the 3 parts and it becomes a complete module.
Okay. So timings and all will be shared with us later on.
Yes. We will share hereafter. We will share just after Swamiji finishes the question and answer. Okay. Satish sir writes, I'm suffering from uric acid along with pain in the full body. Before this, I was in depression. Age is 70. Lungs allergy. What should I do? How can I join in your course? Digestion problem.
17.
Can't take any medicine, feeling very weak.
Yes, sir. 17. Do you understand what is 17 years of age?
No, not 17. 70. 70.
70. Now 70, and you are saying uric acid is increasing. Now let me tell you something. Why uric acid increases? Because the kidney is not able to clear out the toxins from the body, which also is an indicator that toxin accumulation has increased. Toxins बन ज़्यादा रहे हैं, निकल ज़्यादा नहीं पा रहे हैं. So we teach you certain methods in Ashtanga Chikitsa. There are 3 Kumbhak methods in Ashtanga Chikitsa. These 3 methods take care of your uric acid. All the 3 methods actually take care of your uric acid. So in Kumbhak therapy, in the 9 week schedule, the Kumbhak therapy that you learn has 3 main steps, 3 main modules, apart from 2 starting and ending part of it. So these 3 modules that you learn in the Kumbhak therapy of the Ashtanga Chikitsa will take care of your uric acid. What we have also seen that people who started the Kumbhak therapy, suddenly the detox process of the body ignites up. It becomes fast. So it is important for people of that age, anybody. What we are saying is above 16 or above 16, but anybody of any age can do Ashtanga Chikitsa.
Okay. Pooja Chopra writes, I am 37-year-old and I am having body temperature 99 past 1 month. Kindly guide.
Past 1 month is a time of change of season. So many people gets into infection, flu, and those kind of things. But many people do not show the sign of those infections. Rather, there is an internal infection due to which the body temperature keeps a little up, which is again a protective mechanism of the body. Body is ensuring that the infection doesn't rises beyond a certain level. But 1 month is a long time. It cannot be a viral. So if your temperature is not shooting up beyond like 100 and it remains under 100, not a sign of problem. It might settle down soon, but if it doesn't settle down, then you need to get your blood culture done. See what kind of pathogen is there. If there is a pathogen, it needs to be taken care. If there is no pathogen, that means your functional discrepancy has happened which is going on for a certain period of time. Some organ of your body is not able to function optimally, and the body is trying to correct it or support it. So if you use this body a little more, शरीर को थोड़ा ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करें, if you walk 40 minutes every day for the next 3 weeks or so, you'll see the body will be able to handle it properly and you'll come out of that. If there is an infection, then you need to take care of the infection.
Okay, Shanti ma'am is here. You can ask your question to Swamiji. Shanti ma'am, are you here? Okay. So Shanti ma'am is saying she has suddenly sugar. Before food, it's 173. I have thyroid also. Doctor says fatty liver. Kindly let me know it can be cured or not. I am 74-year-old.
It can be, when you say cure, what you mean is your sugar level needs to be at a certain level, which your doctor actually decides. So what I'll say, for example, sugar level will remain a little high if your body's function or organ has become weak. So that little high sugar level is not a problem. Similarly, like there is a formula for that. 100 plus your age plus minus 10 is okay. So if you are 70, if you take your blood pressure, 180, below 180 is fine. It's perfectly fine for this age. So 100 plus your age is actually okay for the body. It's not high, but your doctor might tell you to get it down to 120, 110 or whatever, which will not be right for the body. So at this point of time, what to do? Because your doctor will force you to take in a pill to lower down your blood sugar, blood pressure, thyroid and whatnot. You can go for whatever the doctor is saying. We don't have anything to say for it because there is a certain social psyche. We can't fight with it at this point of time. Slowly in the next 5 to 10 years, the things will change. But at this point of time, do whatever you are forced to do or you are compelled to do due to a fear psychosis. But if you do Ashtanga Chikitsa, if you do Kumbhak, which is the key to Ashtanga Chikitsa, then you can ensure that whatever you are taking in, the adverse drug reaction doesn't happen to a level where your body gets disturbed or your organ discrepancy happens. So you can always ensure that the side effects are less. Also, you also give a chance to your body to rejuvenate, to get back to health. So it is important that you work upon yourself. Rest of the things, whatever you are doing, you can do that.
Okay. Tapan Datta sir writes, very often I suffer from vertigo. Any solution, please?
Vertigo is due to the balancing mechanism of this body, which is inside the ear. It's a nerve mesh, which is called as cochlea. There is a fluid in the cochlea. And if the nervous system gets impacted due to any reason, or the alignment of the body gets impacted due to any reason, then you will see that people get into vertigo, dizziness, heavy-headedness, light-headedness, migraine, headache, and whatnot. So these things have started becoming common in people because we are losing the balance and the alignment of the body because we are not making enough effort. So it is important. Yes, vertigo can easily be taken care by Ashtanga Chikitsa.
Maruti Kamte sir writes, neck pain left side from last 4 years.
Left side is a nerve compression. Any sideways pain, any side of your body. If there is a pain in any side of your body, which means the nerve which is coming out of the spine area in that region, the spine and the nerve complex, either they are into some kind of disalignment or there is a nerve compression in the spine. The vertebra is compressing the nerve. You will have to open it up. you will have to open your spine. There is no solution for that other than that. You will have to align your body and open up your spine. So when we say the Hatha Vinyas is for the spine, it means that we will be giving you certain methods to open up the spine and create strength in it.
Okay. Any other questions? There are 2 participants who have raised their hand. You can ask your question. Anybody else? Satyabrata sir, Shiv Kumar sir, Uma ma'am. There are a lot of participants who have not asked their questions. Please feel free to ask your questions. You've not even written in the chat box so that I can ask it for you.
See, when I answer, usually I answer in such a way that for many people, their question will be answered. So, yes, if your question is answered, it's okay.
Is there any question that we have missed or you would like to ask?
Let's share the program details so that.
Yes, okay. Thank you, Swamiji. Anilji will just join in to share the program details.
Yes, I have already joined in. Just give me a second. Okay, let's know about the Ashtanga Chikitsa program. It's an online program, and all the classes will happen online. Now, how does the program work? What are the program modules? Like Swamiji mentioned about it, there will be 3 modules, and the duration of each module would be 21 days, or you can call it 3 weeks for each module. 9 weeks, there will be 2 live classes per week. One will be the learning class and one will be the practice class. There are mentors inside the class. They'll be watching you if you're doing it correctly, and they'll be correcting you there and there. Apart from that, you'll also get all the class recordings and written instructions. So even if you miss any class, you don't have to worry about it, because you'll get it through a login ID and password. You can watch all the recordings there, all the class recording. Now, what's the next step is? The first step is to pay the fee for the program. The second is the Pran Shakti diagnosis form. So basically, this is a non-medical diagnosis form. What this does is, like Swamiji told you in the question answer session also, that you'll be asked to do some experiments on your body, your emotions, your thought process. And based on that, we'll come to know that the reason why a problem is occurring in your body. If you know the root cause, then a solution is possible. So you fill up the Pran Shakti diagnosis form, and at the end of 9 weeks, the Ashtanga Chikitsa, the whole therapy will be customized based on the Pran Shakti diagnosis, which will be different for everyone. And then you start the classes inside your program. Now the question is, which module you will be joining? Not everyone will join the same module. Like I just showed you in the previous slide, there are 3 modules. So which one you will be joining? So it will be again depending on your Pran Shakti diagnosis form. But ultimately you will be completing all 3. But you can be joining module 2. Some people will be joining module 1. But ultimately you will be doing or completing all the 3 modules. Total classes in each module is 6 classes. So total it becomes 18 classes. Engagement is for 9 weeks. What are the class start dates? The class start dates are 1st November, 2nd November, and 3rd November, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Why 3 classes? Why 3 dates? Because again, like I told you before, that depending on your Pran Shakti diagnosis, you will be given a module. And that's why there are 3 classes. Some people will join on 1st November, some on 2nd, and some on 3rd. But ultimately, you will be doing all the 3 modules. Practice class start dates. Your class, the practice class will happen on the 3rd day of your main class. let's say your main class is on 1st. So the third is 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. If your class is on 2nd November, it will be on 5th November. The practice class will be on 5th November. And if your class is on 3rd November, if your main class is on 3rd November, your practice class will be on 6th November. How's the class experience? All these are live sessions. The mentors will be watching all the participants. There'll be written instructions. There'll be session recordings, like I told you earlier also. And these are some extra things which you'll be getting apart from your main therapy. There'll be mental practices. There'll be unique diet perspective. Mind you, this is not a diet plan. This is a diet perspective. What to eat, in what season, what to eat. Swamiji gives a lot of information about this. And there will be simple detox processes. And there will be knowledge like no other program. There are a lot of things that he'll be teaching you and training you on. I've just written down some yearly expenses that we may be spending to manage our disease. Don't worry if you cannot see it, if you don't remember it, because I'll be sharing the same slide that I'm sharing with you, same presentation that I'm sharing with you, with everybody in the WhatsApp group also, and here in the chat also. So you can take a look later on, but on an average, we'll be spending about 30,000 to 72,000 rupees a year. Plus you get side effects for free if you're using allopathy. Program fee for Ashtanga Chikitsa. This is 9,500 is the fee which we are charging on the website. If people register on the website, they pay a 9,500 fee. And it's a 9-week program, so 18 classes. So I've just done a little math for you. If you divide 9,500 by 18 classes, it comes to 520 per class of 69 to 90 minutes duration. So just to put things in perspective, that why this kind of fee. But for the benefit of majority of people, so that maximum people can join and take advantage of Ashtanga Chikitsa, the fees is highly discounted and kept at 5,500 only, which comes to roughly 300 rupees a class. So that's the kind of pricing it is. What all you get? This is very important. See, the first thing is Pran Shakti diagnosis for root cause determination. No therapy includes this diagnosis to know the root cause. Because if we know the root cause, then a solution is possible. Otherwise, we are just experimenting on your body, and which is not the right way of doing a therapy. Then second thing you get is weekly 1 main class of 60-90 minutes, which I already told you. Then you get 60 to 90 minutes of practice classes. All your questions are answered. All the participants are looked after. Then the fourth thing is the online course access for 1 year. Even after the 9 weeks, when the course is over, when the therapy is over, you'll get access to all the recordings, all the practice classes through that dashboard for complete 1 year. And even if you want after that, it will be available on request. You get a course dashboard, videos of all kriyas done in the class. Then written instructions are there, so you don't have to remember everything. And there will be a private WhatsApp group where you can ask your doubts, your questions 7 days a week. So this is the kind of support that we are providing. Why this support is required? Because if we give you proper support, you will be able to do the exercises properly. You will be able to do the Kumbha Kriya. If you do the Kumbha Kriyas properly, then taking care of all your health ailments.
Next session recordings available.
Can we mute the participant?
1 year varaku extension untundi.
Okay. Then there will be private WhatsApp group I was talking about, where all your doubts, your questions are answered, and you can ask any time of the day, 7 days a week. Then you'll get calls from Neha, our team member. She takes care of all the participants. She'll call you individually and ask you if you're able to do the exercises, if you're seeing any improvement. So she takes care of each participant individually. And then the 9th thing is offered is therapy customization for each participant in the 9th week. That's the customization. depending on which force has become weak in your body, the therapy will be customized. So it's not one solution for all. The classes will happen for 9 weeks when the body is getting ready to receive that customization. So the therapy customization happens for each participant. And then thing is, we keep in touch even after the program is over. You may leave us, but we won't leave you, because we want you to get rid of all your disease, get medicine free, and live a very healthy and happy life. Classes are starting on 1st, 2nd, 3rd November. I already talked about this. How to enroll? You pay the program fee, they post the payment receipt in the WhatsApp group, and then we send you a Pran Shakti diagnosis form which you fill up, and based on that you join the module according to your diagnosis. And then the step 5 is to start attending classes. Payment methods, I'll post it in the chat also and in the WhatsApp group also. And we have a proper support team. We have Rashna Shrimal Botra, which you are hearing, which she's taking care of the questions now. We've got Shalini, Neha, Anil Chauhan, that's me, and Himanshu Reddy. So there is a proper team where we take care of all the participants so that they don't face any problem. So with this, I finish my part, and I'll post this same presentation, same handout in the chat also. Namaskar.
Thank you, Anilji, for explaining the program details. So we come to the end of the session. If you still have any questions, you can always ask in the WhatsApp group and we will take it up with Swamiji and make sure all your queries are resolved. So I hope the people who are, okay, 3 participants have, yes, Sonia ma'am, you can unmute yourself. Sonia ma'am, you can unmute yourself, please. Ma'am, you can write in the chat box. If you're not able to unmute yourself, you can write in the chat box. We'll take it up. Don't worry. Okay. Yes, Sonia ma'am, you can write in the chat box if you're not able to unmute yourself. Ma'am, write in the chat box. Can you write in the chat box? I'll take up the your query. Anybody else who has raised their hands? I can't see anybody's. There were 3 hands raised. Okay. Swamiji, there is another question which is by Amar ji. He is saying, can paralysis be treatable due to brain stroke? Swamiji, please unmute yourself.
Am I audible?
Yes.
So we have a patient of paralysis, and we have seen people with drop foot, myasthenia gravis, locked jaw. Those people recover, regain their sensation. The paralysis patient has regained his sensation by almost 95%. So because it includes the nervous system, neuromusculoskeletal degeneration includes the nervous system, yes, the patient of paralysis can be helped a lot. Then IBS, somebody is asking IBS, again, irritable bowel syndrome has a relationship with your peristaltic movement, where muscles and the neuromuscle joints are in play. So IBS can be handled pretty well through Ashtanga Chikitsa. Otherwise, there is no option, there is no treatment for IBS as such.
Yeah. So I think we have come to the end of the session. If nobody has any questions. Okay, Sonia ma'am, you can write in the WhatsApp group. I think you're finding it difficult to Yes, Lakshmi ma'am, please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself, Lakshmi ma'am.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
So this customized therapy will be given after 9 weeks or during the 9 weeks itself?
No, in the 9 weeks, you'll learn the basic module. And then when you learn the basic module, we'll just change it according to your system. And we will give you an extra class where we will teach you how to do the customization, or how to practice the customized version. So once you learn the practice, it is easy for you to understand the customization.
And that will be included in this 9 weeks or additional time I had to give?
No, that will be additional.
So that will be additional, and payment will be additional, or it is included?
No. Yeah, this is a lifetime membership, let me tell you, because we will never leave you. We'll keep giving classes in between, and there will be an open kind of sessions also. So it's a membership basically, but the duration of the class is 9 weeks, one extra class. The fee is a membership fee.
Okay. So we have doubts, you're going to help us?
Throughout. You will always be a part of us.
Okay. Thank you.
Sonia ma'am, you can unmute yourself. I've already unmuted all the participants.
Thank you so much. Just asking about varicose veins भी curable है Ashtanga चिकित्सा से?
वेरिकोस वेन, हमारे पास केसेस हैं वेरिकोस वेन के, जो कि उनको बहुत मतलब हेल्प मिला वेरिकोस वेन में और वो ठीक हो गए हैं. ऐसे कई केसेस हैं हमारे पास वेरिकोस वेन के. सिंपल मेथड से भी वेरिकोस वेन ठीक हो जाता है. अदरवाइज तो उसका वैसे कोई इलाज है नहीं, मगर आप अंदर से अगर अपने, इसे कहते हैं व्यान वायु, आपके शरीर का जो स्ट्रक्चर का ध्यान रखता है ना, किसी भी चीज के स्ट्रक्चर का जो ध्यान रखता है, तो व्यान वायु कहते हैं. तो करेक्ट दिस व्यान फैक्टर, व्यान वायु को अगर आप ठीक कर देंगे ना, तो आपका स्ट्रक्चरल इशू में बहुत सपोर्ट मिलता है. एंड इन आवर मॉड्यूल वी हैव अ स्पेसिफिक प्रोसेस फॉर दैट. हमारे मॉड्यूल में एक स्पेसिफिक प्रोसेस है.
मेरे बेटे को प्रॉब्लम है, उसके लिए बात कर रही थी मैं, और मेरे को तो नी प्रॉब्लम है. मैं जल्दी ही ज्वाइन करूंगी आपको आफ्टर दिवाली.
दिवाली इज आल्सो नियर, सो आप सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं दिवाली की. विश यू ऑल वेरी हैप्पी दिवाली.
Thank you so much, and same to you too.
Thank you so much to all the participants for attending the question and answer session. And thank you, Swamiji, for joining in and answering all their queries. And happy Diwali to everybody. See you. Good night.